onto my needle files now. When you're doing the filing into the groove, remember that corner blade just going up and down at the angle you want, which is where the claw's going to sit. Don't file it like that and then expect to be able to put your claw on nice and neatly that way. Just file that way. So the file is going up and down across the center of the ring at that angle. So what I'm doing is I'm thinking that way and then just tilting it in slightly because that's where I want it to end. Same this one. And as this one comes in and lowers, my file will start to touch the bottom half of that. And I'm going to have a look, but I'm going to bring this in a little bit as well. That is the maximum size because it had just disappeared under the edge of the stone. I may even lower the stone a touch more because when I'm trying it in there, I want the coulee of the stone to come down a little bit. I want it to sit in between there and there, obviously not coming out the bottom, but I don't like it when a stone is set and you can see the point in the middle. I just think it should have been set lower. So it shows nice control of your diamond mounting skills if you can get the point just to sit just in there. If you get these grooves in the correct position, just keep filing around, and I'm not even really thinking about the bottom plate too much, but as you can see, it's taking shape quite nicely, and I'm not checking that and making sure it's going okay. I'm just following that curve because we made that correct earlier, and then where our saw cuts have gone in and these angles are correct, it just kind of works out. I made it easy for myself by always working accurately previously. And then you end up with a nice, neat finished piece because you didn't have to keep correcting mistakes as you went along. I've now filed the size of the ring to get it to this stage, so kind of approaching what I want it to end up as. So now I'm gonna file out the inside so I can take the accuracy of it to the next level. Be careful with your file not to tilt it this way or this way too much, because you don't want one side of your bottom plate to look thinner than the other side. It has to look parallel all the way across, both sides the same. Zing it out. Keep it parallel. These cylinder paper rotational cylinder things, whatever they're called, a whizzer, that's the technical name for it. These are so much better than the old school split mandrel types because you've got this flapping about, and they have the uses, hence I have one with really coarse paper on it, but that edge that flapping will take away the sharpness around the edges of your piece. So this one's great because it stays really flat. So now I've got I can really see the outline of what I've filed up there.